Hello friends. Today, let's discuss how to insert images in HTML. Images enhance the quality of a web page and is used to provide information or make it more attractive. The commonly used graphic formats are GIF and JPG. So in order to insert an image, let's open the HTML document and see how we do so. So to insert an image, we use the IMG tag. So inside the IMG tag, we have SRC, which stands for source, and you need to give the value of the address where the image is located. So in this particular case, if you see my file, the image file and the HTML file are both in the same folder. Because they are in the same folder, I just mentioned the file name. Suppose if it was in some other folder, then I need to specify the complete address of the folder followed by the file name. Now, next is ALT. ALT stands for alternate text. So suppose there are various times when the image doesn't load correctly due to various reasons. So in that case, we provide a value to ALT and that value is displayed whenever the image doesn't load. So this is a case where the image is loading correctly. So suppose if I give a wrong location or due to network reasons, the image doesn't load. In that case, if I show you, see, I have written star under ALT. So this star shows up, this text shows up, whatever you write in the value for ALT, that shows up. Now, if you want to adjust the height and width of your image. So let me correct this first and show it to you. So in this case, we give the height and width under the style attribute, and I have given the values 2700 pixel for width and 500 pixel for my height. Let me show it to you. Yes. So suppose you want to change the width and make it, suppose 500 pixel. See the change. So the width decreases accordingly. If you want the height also to decrease, and you make it 200 pixel, and the height also decreases. So this is how you can change the height and width of your image. So going back, image is used to insert the image. Source is denoted by SRC. ALT stands for alternate text, and you can give the height and width under the style attribute. And this is optional. This is not always necessary. If you want to change the height and width, then you can give so. In my next video, we will discuss how to bring the image in the center, how to float it towards the left or right, how to use the clear property. So please keep tuned. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.